Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a drop-down list in Smartsheet. All right. So start by opening up one of your sheets, and in here, maybe let's just go ahead and add in a new column. Okay. Column left, and then just go ahead and select drop-down list. And in here, go ahead and name the column, maybe a favorite color. All right. And then you can now go ahead and add in the colors, maybe red. Just hit on enter to add in some space, then blue, maybe black, yellow. There you go. And then once that's done, just hit on OK. Now in here, when we click on a cell, here we have a drop down that you can easily select a from one of these options, maybe yellow. Now, if you already have a column and you wanted to add a drop down list onto it, all right, maybe the country right here. Now click on the column, right click on it, and then click on edit column properties. The column type, set this one to again, a drop down list, PH, US, UK, EU, AU, like so, hit on OK. Now, when we go ahead and click on a cell, here we have a drop down. And the other columns right here doesn't have the drop down, all right? Just the ones that got the drop down properties or drop down column type. And that is how you add a drop down list here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.